Looking for Remington hair dryers to buy on Cyber Monday? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best deals you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1, Advanced Ceramic Coated Grill Infused with Keratin and Almond Oil for Healthy Looking, Smooth Blow Dry Results, by Remington. Number 2, 90% more irons for frizz-free shine. Versus standard Remington hair dryer, another great product by Remington. Number 3, use the airflow concentrator to direct airflow where you want it for the perfect style. The cool shot function sets your style in place for the whole day. Cyber Monday 2018 is already here. Click this link below for real-time prices and offers. Get yours now.